Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
I believe we are on track. We might have delayed by a day or two, but I think we are on track. And whatever commitments have been given by the Honorable Chief Minister, we will ensure that they are delivered to the authorities. Buggy system are basically meant for
PwD, physical.
some physical. For physical, we have also arranged rickshaws. So we've tried to alleviate their suffering, if I may say, to whatever possible can be done.
What we have done is we thought of getting in these buggies, around 14 of them, to facilitate the senior citizens and people with disabilities to ensure that they have a very smooth movement to the place of veneration and to the church. We would be placing them some at the parking lots wherein they can be transported from the parking lots to the veneration points, and we will be placing some inside the cathedral itself. Of course, wheelchairs would be available at the veneration area. Besides the buggies, we have also brought in E-Rickshaws, wherein a wheelchair itself can go inside the E-Rickshaw. And these E-Rickshaws would be around 17 in number. So we are trying to facilitate as much as possible people with some difficulties in walking, senior citizens, elderly people, so that we would like to give a very sort of a smooth experience to them during this exposition.